Proudly presented by Smart Hire. How to start and use a Red Roo 100mm mulcher. Begin by checking the fuel tank, making sure it is full and the cap is secured properly. Turn the stop-start switch into the on position. Adjust the lever into the full throttle position. Follow this by fully engaging the choke. Start the machine by tugging the pull cord. Follow this by disengaging the choke. Once the engine is warmed, slowly engage the mulching blades. When ready, unfold the safety guard and adjust the exit chute to the desired trajectory. Remember to wear gloves and eye goggles, beginning your job by slowly feeding through the appropriate wood. When done, simply lower the throttle and allow the machine to settle before turning the stop-start switch into the on position and reversing the setup process, leaving it ready for any future jobs. To hire this machine and many more, visit the team in store at Smart Hire.